Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in which we are going to see how you can commit on GitHub for a past day. So committing for a past day may be of significant importance to you as you may be working on contribution streak just like me or working on a large project with multiple members that require some form of versioning control. So GitHub offers two methods of version control or committing in past. First is relative method and second is exact method. The relative method seems far easier when the difference margin is 1 or 2 days or 1 week, etc. But the exact method come handy when want to commit for a very past day or if we want granular control over minutes and second. So let's learn the relative method first. Relative method requires you to look at our contribution calendar first. So let me open my GitHub profile and look at contribution calendar. So here is my GitHub profile, and if I go to profile section and right now it's around midnight, it's 12:01 AM and GitHub shows that a new day, the March 25th. So there are no contributions on March 24th, that is Sunday, and usually I post a weekly blog on this Sunday. So in this video, I'm going to show how I can still commit on the Sunday even despite today's Monday, quite literally. So this is my HTML section or HTML blog. Okay. Let me increase my font size. So first, we have to move to the folder on which this blog is stored. So in terminal, I will pass the command cd harshvarma c5.github.io. You can visit this website also. Now, first let me save this project by Ctrl and S and check the Git status. So you can see that the files are modified and the new files had been added, but they are still not ready for commitment. So I have to pass the command git add period, which will add the file and be ready for commitment. Now we have to pass the command git commit with a message committing on the past day. But if I press enter right now, the commitment will happen on the March 25th, that is Monday. But what I want to is to make the commit on Sunday. So we have to add an additional date flag, and under date flag, I just want to know after looking at our contribution calendar, we want to commit on 1 day ago. So we have to write 1 day ago, and if I press enter, we can see that the commitment occurs on Sunday, March 24, right on our 00044 minute and second. So the relative method does this, that it makes the commitment on the day specified, but on the exact same time on which we are committing right now. And in order to reflect the changes on our contribution calendar, we have to push these changes. So to that, I need to pass command git push origin master. As soon as my changes are uploading, done. As soon as my changes are uploaded, and if we refresh our profile section, we can see that there is now a 1 contribution on March 24. And now let's see how the exact method works. In order to get the exact method in working, we need our time zone. So you have to just quick Google or Bing search what is my time zone offset. And after searching this, we can see that currently I am in India and this is around plus 5:30. My time zone offset is 5:30, which we are going to need in order to commit on exact date. So if I change something here, what can I do? What can I do? Harsh Verma's blog, icon, cross origin. Let's change from the hello internet to hello welcome. Hello everyone. And if I save my file, Git status will reflect that my file has been modified. Okay. So we have to re-add our file. And again, if we check Git status, it will show that our file has been modified and staged for the commit, but has not been committed yet. And if I pass the command git commit with a message committing on past day, but if I pass this command, the commitment will happen on today, just like the last time. But if we want to specify a date, for example, this time I'm gonna specify the date March 22nd. So what we have to do, we have to again add a date flag right after commit, double dash date. But this time we gonna pass the command (2024) year first, then month 03, then date. What was the date? 22nd. 22nd. Then our time, hour first. Suppose we want to make commitment on 12, right on 12, 12, 00, 00. Now we have to add our time zone. So what was our time zone? Our time zone was 5:30 plus 5:30. So we need to add plus 0530. And if I press enter, the commitment will occur on Friday, March 22nd, 12:00:24, please with our time zone selected 5:30. And in order to reflect the changes again on our contribution calendar, we have to pass the command git push origin master. Wait for the reflection happening. And yes, it is now done. And in order to reflect the changes, we have to again refresh. So after refreshing, we can see that a commitment on March 22nd is appearing as we predicted or as we done. So this marks the finish of my video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thank you very much, and make sure to see the blog that I have just committed. You can visit it on harshvarmac5.github.io and our blog section. These are my students that I just read it from there. I will enjoy and you will enjoy too. Thank you.